Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Yang Brooke here. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you that the most question people ask me, I get bored with my hair, what should I do? So in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 tips for you to manage your hair and change your look every day so you can feel more confident and just super easy and quick. So if you are grow your hair and then every day you just look at your hair and you just don't like it and always just put it up because you doesn't feel like with the look, like the hair, it just doesn't look right. Or you don't like the color you have right now. You really feel like every time you see the color is uneven or it doesn't look right, or you just feel like you don't like that and you just really less confident because you just feel people look at your hair and you just feel not comfortable with that. Or like you just look at your hair, you just feel boring. You don't know what to do, like you have the same color for a few months. You have nothing to do with that and you really don't know how to give yourself different look every day. You get bored about that. So what should you do? If you are in those points I said before, you are in right place. Okay, let's start now. Tip number 1, change your part. Okay, what I mean? Okay, so now I try to work on my hair so you can look and you can feel, you can see easier, right? I try my best. It doesn't look really good, but I try. For example, I have this hair every day, but I really want to have something different look. Sometimes I change different part of my hair. Sometimes I pull my hair in this side. Okay, this is give me different look. I can change that or I can move a little bit further. Like that. So it still gives me different look for myself, and sometimes, especially I change different clothes and I just really feel with this is not good and I can change different way. Or even sometimes I change in the middle. Yeah, so sometimes I just put in the middle, like that. It still gives me a little bit different look and I feel myself is look different, like that. So yeah, that's number 1, change your part a little bit, you can see yourself different. So tip number 2, that get the fringe. It's the most important that every time I think that especially if you always put your hair up and just like that, you can see how boring when you look at yourself, just put all in like that. Like that. It doesn't make you feel, it doesn't have anything to prime your face. So that's why always you feel it's just nothing different and change and just boring. So you know what to do. Cut a little bit fringe for your hair. For example, just with me, sometimes I like something a little bit like that, get like that. So it just prime your face a little bit better, like that. For example, like I like to put like that. So if I put my hair on the back like this, and I really want to have something is prime my face, something like that. Especially when you have you feel you're not confident with your face because you have your face is round or too big or whatever. So to me, like this, it gives me like prime my face and feel much better. So before we move to the tip number 3, just quickly let you know, if you stay to the end of this video, I will share you my special link for you to follow the guide step by step, how to manage your hair and styling your hair quick and easy, less than 5 minutes every day. So stay at the end. So tip number 3, learn to curl your hair. Just less than 5 minutes or overnight curl. It is very important if you know how to curl your hair, that give you different look. Especially if you have, like I said before, if you have uneven color or you don't really like the color. When you actually curl your hair, the curl, the wave, the texture of that, it just leave and it just make the color is stand out and it look 10 times better than if you keep your hair straight. But it's very important how to curl your hair quick and easy. Click to the link below in the description below. You can see I have the method how to curl your hair less than 5 minutes. Check it below. Okay, and then when you have that curl, that gives you beautiful, nice and wavy look. So the point is just blend with the color well, and also it make the texture of your hair. If you have fine hair, it leave your hair look full and thicker. If you have uneven of the color, it make you look much better because it doesn't show up the uneven more easily. So it's more blend better. Yeah, so that's it. So when you know how to curl your hair, it make you feel much better, and it just you don't feel that you have a bad hair. Yeah. So before we move on, tip number 4, don't forget to subscribe to my channel or click to the bell to be noticed. I will post the video next, so you will learn a lot of things to help you to manage your hair. So tip number 4 is half up, half down. What I mean? Okay. For example, my hair like this. So I want to see myself a little bit different. What I do that, I keep the fringe out like that. What I do, I take 2 pieces of this, right? And in this side, I do another 2 pieces, and I twist like that. I twist like that, twist like that, and I put on the back. So I use a bobby pin or a little clip, and I keep it on the back. So the first of all, it doesn't get the hair around in my face. The secondly, I feel that more comfortable, and it still gives me different look. You know, it's very important for me to feel myself. I have different look every day. That is I'm happy with. You know, do you think you can wear in the same clothes every day? It's just the same me. I feel I don't want to wear in my hair the same every day. So that's why I think is the important is improve, invest your skill how to manage your hair to give you different look. It is very important for you to make yourself different look, different feeling, and that is make you feel more confident, more happier, and more success. To me, that is just hair. I don't know how to describe, but hair is super important to me, right? So I don't know you. So if I don't know it, those 4 tips, which one is your favorite thing? And comment below. Let me know 1, 2, 3, or 4. Which one is your favorite? Also, how do you go with that? Which one you use for yourself? Let me know below, so I will know. If you have any question, I'm more than happy to answer and help you with. Or if you I really want to see what you do and how you go with that. What you share with me, that is make me feel more creative and give you more information. So which means I help you, you help me. So make me more like happy and always think the new thing to share with you. Okay, leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. All right, so bye for now.